separating out any things according to their character. In the sorting, in the processing of wool, the separation of fibers of different textures. The fibers may have some fibers may have longer and some are shorter, and some are different. Some have different qualities and colors. So separating out or sorting out these fibers according to their colors, texture, quality and length is called sorting. It is done in factories. Sorting means பிரிச்செடுக்கிறது அந்த ஃபைபர்ஸை அதோட லென்த் வைஸ் அண்ட் கலர் வைஸாக குவாலிட்டி தென் டெக்ஸ்சர் மீன்ஸ் ஸ்மூத்தாக இருக்கா ஹார்டாக இருக்கா அந்த மாதிரி அதோட குவாலிட்டியை பொறுத்து கேரக்டர்ஸை பொறுத்து பிரித்து வைக்கிற அந்த ப்ராசஸ்க்கு பேர் என்ன sorting. It's done in factories. Next, the fourth step is removal of burrs. Look at the picture, children. You may see the small fluffy fibers. This is called burrs. In this fourth step, the small fluffy fibers called burrs are picked out from the hair. These are the same burrs which sometimes appear on your sweaters. Then the fibers are scored again. That are the burrs which are removed from the fibers are scored again and dried. இப்போ எல்லா 3 ப்ராசஸ் முடிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறமா அந்த ஃபைபர்ஸ்லேயுமே இன்னும் என்ன இருக்குன்னா பர்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் ஸ்மால் ஃபைபர்ஸ். நம்ம ஸ்வெட்டர்ஸ்லேயே சில டைம் பார்க்கலாம் சின்னதாக இருக்கிற அந்த ஷைனிங்காக இருக்கிற அந்த ஃபைபர்ஸ் என்ன தனியாக செப்பரேட் பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு ஆஃப்டர் தட் இந்த ப்ளஃபி ஃபைபர்ஸ் இந்த பர்ஸையும் திரும்ப என்ன பண்ணோம் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணிவிட்டு தென் ட்ரைட் காய வச்சிடணும். Then what are the 4 steps we have learned, children, in the processing of wool? What are the 4 steps we have learned? First one is shearing, second one is scoring, third one is sorting, and now fourth one is removal of burrs. What is the natural color of the animal, children? It may be a sheep or goat or yak or camel, etc. What's the natural color of that animals? They are in white, brown or black. Isn't it, children? Yes. Then, but the sweaters or mufflers which are obtained from these animals are various in colors. Isn't it? Yes. How the different colors are obtained? These colors are obtained by dyeing. Yes. The fibers which are obtained from these animals are dyed in different colors. So the fibers are dyed in different colors because the natural color of the fleece is white, brown or black. In this 5th step, dyeing is done. Dyeing means சாயப்படுத்து அல்லது கலர் உண்டாக்குறது. நம்ம நேச்சுரலாக இருக்கிற அந்த அனிமல்ஸோட கலர் ஒன்லி ஒயிட் ஆர் ப்ரௌன் ஆர் பிளாக்காக தான் இருக்கும். பட் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற ஸ்வெட்டர்ஸ் மஃப்ளர்ஸ் இந்த அனிமல்ஸ் கிட்ட இருந்து எடுத்த அந்த ஃபைபர்ஸில் இருந்து தான் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற ஸ்வெட்டர் மஃப்ளர்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கும். பட் அது எல்லாமே டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கலர்ஸ் வெரைட்டி ஆஃப் கலர்ஸில் இருக்கும். எப்படின்னு பார்த்தா பை டூயிங் திஸ் டையிங். இந்த சாயமேற்றுதல் நிறைய கெமிக்கல்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணி இந்த டையிங் பண்ணுறதன் மூலமாக வி கெட் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கலர்ஸ் ஆஃப் sweaters and mufflers, etc. This is a last step in the processing of wool. In this step or in this process, the fibers are straightened because it may be compressed. So the fibers are straightened and combed and rolled into yarn. Fibers are converted into yarn. Then the longer fibers are made into wool. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters, and the shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloths. We have already learned the spinning and weaving in the 6th standard. Yes. What do you mean by spinning? The process of making yarn from the fiber is called spinning. And what do you mean by weaving? The process of making fabric from the yarn is called weaving. Isn't it, children? Yes. In this step, In this rolling process, in the final process, the fibers are then rolled into yarn. Okay, children? Okay, children, let us recall the steps which are involved in the processing of wool. Okay. First step is shearing. Shearing means the removal of the fleece of the sheep. Then second one, scoring. Scoring means washing of the hair or fleece in tanks. Then shorting. Shorting means in the shorting process, separating of fibers which have different characters. Then removal of buzz. In this process, the small fluffy fibers are picked out. Then dyeing. For getting different variety of colors, dyeing is done. Then last step is rolling. In this step, the fibers are straightened, combed and rolled into yarns. Finally, the yarns are converted into woolen cloths by weaving process. Do you understand, children? Now let us learn about occupational hazards of woolen industry. Occupational hazards of woolen industry. Now, what is occupational hazards or what are occupational hazards? Occupational hazards are the risks faced by workers in the working industry. Risk faced by the workers in working industry are called occupational hazards. In that industry, that the workers may cause some diseases. They are called occupational diseases. Occupational disease is a disease due to work or working condition. ஏதோ ஒரு பீப்புள் ஏதோ சம் ஒர்க் பண்ணும்போதோ அல்லது அந்த ஒர்க்கிங் இண்டஸ்ட்ரினாலேயோ அவங்களுக்கு உருவாகக்கூடிய அந்த டிசீஸை என்ன நேமில் சொல்லுவோன்னா ஆக்குபேஷனல் டிசீஸ். அந்த டிசீஸ் இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய அவங்களுக்கு டிஃபெக்ட் ஏற்படுறத ஜென்ரலாக என்ன நேமில் சொல்லுவோன்னா ஆக்குபேஷனல் ஹசார்ட்ஸ். ஆக்குபேஷனல் ஹசார்ட்ஸ். சரி, வாட் இஸ் த occupational hazards takes place in woolen industry. In woolen industry, shortest job is risky as sometimes they get infected by a bacterium, anthrax. Anthrax is a bacterium which affect the domestic animals. What is the work of the sorters? We have already learned that the sorters work is to separate the different kinds of fibers. So, in that process, the sorters or the workers may be affected by the bacterium called anthrax, which causes a fatal blood disease. Fatal blood disease means ரொம்ப ஒரு பயங்கரமான ஒரு இரத்த நோய். It may lead to death also. This fatal blood disease also called Shorter's disease. Shorter's disease. Okay. Then also the small pieces of woolen fibers can cause respiratory problems. Also a small pieces of woolen fibers, it may enter the respiratory system. So it cause the respiratory problems and diseases. Okay, children, these are all about the occupational hazards of woolen industries. In this class we have learned about the animal fiber like wool. Yes, the processing of wool. What are the steps involved in the processing of wool, and what are the hazards, occupational hazards that face the workers working in that industry. Okay, children, listen the classes carefully and study the processing of wool question and answer.